Each year, China's mega factories produce billions of products that power modern life across the globe. From steel and semiconductors to electric vehicles, clothing and food production, massive industrial systems operate almost non-stop 24 hours a day. Supported by automation, robotics, and high-speed manufacturing technology, these enormous facilities have transformed China into one of the world's largest industrial powers. Now let's step inside the factories and production systems that keep this giant manufacturing machine running every single day. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. China consumes around 1.9 billion tons of cement every year to support enormous construction projects, including skyscrapers, industrial zones, and sea-crossing bridges. Inside giant factories, high-strength steel bars are welded into long cages before being placed inside massive molds. Concrete is then poured and spun at high speed using centrifugal force to remove air bubbles and increase strength. After steam curing, the finished piles weighing dozens of tons are transported to construction sites, where hydraulic hammers drive them deep underground to support massive urban structures. China is investing heavily in semiconductors as chips become one of the most important technologies in the modern world. Inside massive factories operated by companies like SMIC, ultra-pure silicon is melted, shaped into crystal ingots, and sliced into thin wafers. Photolithography machines then print microscopic circuit patterns using ultraviolet light, while ion implantation systems create billions of transistors inside the chip. Finally, ultra-thin metal layers connect the entire system together. Because even a tiny dust particle can damage production, the entire process takes place inside highly controlled, cleanroom environments. Producing modern Chinese banknotes requires a combination of precision printing, security technology, and automated inspection systems. Specialized cotton paper is embedded with hidden security fibers and fluorescent markers before entering high-speed printing machines capable of processing more than 10,000 sheets per hour. Multiple layers of color, metallic strips, watermarks, and color-shifting ink are added with microscopic accuracy. Tiny misalignments can cause entire batches to be rejected. Finally, AI camera systems inspect every note before the currency is cut, bundled, sealed, and released into circulation across China. Inside modern wood processing factories, massive logs are carefully cut based on grain direction and fiber quality to prevent cracking or warping over time. Defective sections are removed before the wood is dried and shaped using industrial cutting, drilling, and sanding machines. Many large furniture panels are created by joining smaller wood strips together for greater stability. After assembly, the surfaces are coated with protective finishes such as PU coating, oil, or veneer. Because natural wood takes decades to grow, every finished furniture piece carries unique textures and patterns. China's steel recycling industry transforms demolished buildings, old vehicles, and railway tracks into valuable raw materials for new infrastructure. Scrap steel is cut, sorted, and analyzed using robotic systems capable of identifying different metal compositions automatically. The material is then melted inside electric arc furnaces, reaching temperatures of thousands of degrees. Within hours, recycled steel begins reappearing as construction beams, ship hulls, railway lines, and wind turbine components. By recycling steel on a massive scale, China reduces both iron ore consumption and carbon emissions while supporting long-term industrial growth.